Okay, so let's take a look at how to play Monsters and Balloons, the division game. So first off, you've got your game board. You're going to need some players, two different color pieces, and then a die. You're going to work around the outside of the game board when you roll the dice. When you solve the division problem, your quotient, you put your color on whatever the quotient is on the balloons. You'll see what I mean in just a second. So I'm going to go first. I rolled a 2, so I landed on a monster, and it says if a player lands on a monster, they can cover a number of their choice. So I'm red, I can cover any one I want, and I want to cover the number 1. I have a point for 1. Now player number 2 is going to go, and they rolled a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are on 49 divided by 7. Well, 49 divided by 7 is 7, so they're going to capture that point right there. Back to player 1. They go 1, 2. 24 divided by 6 is 4, so they capture 4. Player number 1 is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they have 64 divided by 8, and that is 8, so they capture that. You continue on this game until all of these balloons are captured. Whoever captured more, for instance, if there's more red than yellow, that's the person who wins the game. Here's what's tricky. Let's say yellow lands on a problem where the answer is 1. They can't take it because red already got it. So even though they know the answer, red already captured that. So they kind of lose a turn, if you will, if they land on one of those. Same thing with red. If red lands on a number that ends, or the quotient is 7, red can say the answer is 7, but they can't win that balloon because yellow already got that point. And you keep going until all the balloons or all the points in the middle are spoken for. So at the end of the game, it should look something like this. And on this one, as they've worked their way around, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reds versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow. So red won that particular game.